You know, when somebody asks you, did you steal something or you got a donation? Now, if you are true to your own version, you believe it is a donation and you did not steal, then tanyalah macam mana pun, can you accept that that money is coming from SRC? The natural answer of anybody who is innocent is say, no, I cannot accept that version because the money did not come from SRC. It was the Arab donation. That would be the natural answer. Doesn't make sense for anybody to say, oh, according to the criminal court, it is from SRC. But I, until now, I believe that it is from the Arab kingdom. Now, in other words, you are saying now that there is two versions now. The court version and your version. Why are you volunteering the court's version? The question was not what does the court say. So, the prosecutor tanya, can you accept? So, what is his answer? Answer should be plain, no, I cannot accept because it is not. Not you say, oh, I believe it is not. So, in other words, you are creating. So, if you say, if you murdered somebody or you didn't murder somebody, somebody is dead in your house, and police tanya, did you kill this person? Kalau you have nothing to do, you pun tak tahu, you say no. How? I don't kill people and I was not even here. You don't tell the police, well, it appears people say that I kill, but I believe I did not kill this person. Would you answer that way? So therefore, tanyalah any psychologist, that's a man lying. And a judge, a learned judge, is not stupid. Bila you jawab macam tu, dia tahulah, maknanya you tahulah. You tahulah dia tu SRC. Tapi nak perpetuate your lie, you say I believe until now. So maknanya some innocent punya belief. So maknanya you are creating a room, an avenue where you buat salah tapi you tak sedar you buat salah tu. You percaya, you tak ada niat. This of course will not sail in any court. Sampai ke federal court ni kena tendang and you will still kena lah. Tapi after federal court, they have a cable lah to go to Agong. Dia go to Agong, kita tengok Agong. Court tak terima. I believe that I did not do. Tapi kalau happen to be from duit SRC, mana salah I pula? Jolo tipu I. And nak tanya Jolo tak boleh, dia he's on run. And Malaysia government tak boleh tangkap Jolo sampai sekarang. So shouldn't benefit of doubt be given to me? After all, I banyak berjasa pada negara ni. I Perdana Menteri berapa lama? Jasa. And what they don't have to say is that, I did this for your family before when I was MB. Semua tu macam-macam boleh keluar lah. Tak payah sebut lah. The royals yang relevant kena faham lah. So it's all to open the doors to royal pardon lah. Itu je. Jadi tak usahlah pusing banyak. Faham tak? Syafi ni, why sibuk sangat nak buat press conference? Your job as a lawyer is to get your client off the hook lah. In this case, civil case, supaya dia tak kena saman lah. Faham tak? Tapi kenapa you nak buat a public conference? Why? Why does it matter what people think that media reports? How is that going to mempengaruhi the outcome of your case in court? Tak ada. So at the end of the day, the fact that he's got to go and come up with his version, which I think Shafi is brilliant lah. Tapi cuma what irritates me is that he thinks everybody is bloody dumb. So now what he's trying to say is that, media tak faham. He doesn't want to go on a direct confrontation with the media pun. Mungkin nakal, mungkin tak faham, tak faham. Kalau media report tak betul, he should be the first. The lawyer should be enraged. and threaten media to betulkan apa yang dia report, otherwise I saman. Tapi tak ada. He's not going to go on a better path with the media because media was also in the courtroom. He said what he said, and in court, semua tertulis. Every word, verbatim, is recorded. Judge will be referring to the verbatim punya records in making his decision. Jadi, you pusing lah ke mana pun. Because this is just to move towards, eventually you boleh kata judge tak adil. Judge tak salah interpret. Sell that narrative to rakyat first. Yang sebenarnya Najib tak terima the fact that benda tu is duit 1MDB. When Najib actually mengaku kata ikut criminal court, it is duit 1MDB. So tapi cuma he cannot undo what Najib said. He wants to rewrite that narrative. Pandai si Syafi ni. Dia pandai tapi dia rely on the fact that semua orang bodoh lah. Jadi I bila tengok macam ni, I terpanggil lah to make my comments, my 2 cent comments. Assalamualaikum.
Monday, 26th of January, is the International Day of Clean Energy, designated by the UN to highlight the central role of clean energy in achieving climate goals, sustainable development, and energy justice. The day underscores the transition away from fossil fuels towards renewables, efficiency, and equitable access, especially for the global south, where energy poverty and climate vulnerability intersect most sharply. An invitation. Join me on Monday, 26th of January 2026 over lunch to discuss this and other issues related to nutrition and health. Full details are as follows. Day and date, Monday, 26th of January 2026. Time 12:30 to 14:30 hours. Venue Cafe MAB. Address Malaysian Association for the Blind, MAB. Jalan Tabing off Jalan Tun Sambanthan 4 Brickfields, 50470 Kuala Lumpur. Attendance. Attendance is free of charge for all persons with disabilities, PWD holding an OKU card. However, places are limited and depends on donations and sponsorship received. Donation attendance is by donation for able-bodied and sighted participants. Minimum donation is RM20, which should cover your lunch as well as for 1 PWD. Any balance will go towards my various eye treatments. A heartfelt light. To every soul whose hand did give, you've helped me dream, helped me live. In darkest hours your light came through, with hearts so kind, so pure, so true. Your gifts, like stars in deepest night, have steered me gently toward the light. Each coin, each word, each silent prayer, a thread of hope, so rich, so rare. My eyes once dimmed, now seek the skies, and slowly, clearer visions rise. Because of you, I dare to see the world again. Its grace, its plea. Your compassion's flame will not just stay with me alone. It lights the way for others wandering through despair to feel the warmth of selfless care. You've shown what love in action means, in quiet ways through giving scenes. You've built a bridge from soul to soul and made the broken feel more whole. So let this thanks rise like a song, a melody both soft and strong. May your example gently call more hearts to rise to give. To fall into the joy of lifting pain, of planting hope where none remains. Your kindness walks beside me still, a light, a love, a living will.
Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to show your support.